All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, to staking the coin, to using that credit card from BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. That's right, this coin is jumping to the moon. It's definitely popping right this second. All my Elon cryptocurrency fans, you're definitely liking this week. You're definitely liking today, because Dogelon Mars, however you want to say it, is up, up, up. Woo! Let's go right there. Also, we're going to talk about a few cryptocurrencies that can make you a millionaire in 2022. Yep, I'm just going to go to this article. Couple of these coins I'm comfortable with. One of the coins I'm like, interesting. But anyways, we're going to go to 3 cryptocurrencies that can make you a millionaire in 2022 according to this article. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day own cryptocurrency, understand it, know how to buy it, know how to sell it, all the good things on crypto. All right, everybody, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, here we go. Ding, 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 ding. Awesome stuff for Elon. Awesome stuff for Dogelon Mars. Take a look, everybody. Up 27% in the last 7 days. You got to admit, that's freaking awesome. I mean, a quarter. It's up over a quarter, over 27%. Today, it's up 5.52%. Elon is moving. This is what we're looking for. Clicking it. All right, so look at this. Up 5.87% today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 10, 11. We'll come back for a price prediction when we're done here. Take a look at that, everybody. Yeah, how are we feeling? Feeling real good. If you're a Dogelon Mars fan, you're liking it. That's today, guys. Let's take a look at the last 7 days. Don't you just love when you see these charts? It's just like, boom, let's go to the moon. Ready? Boom, let's go to the moon. You ready? Boom, let's go to the moon. Yeah, it didn't just launch this week. I mean, this coin's been around for a while. All right, everybody, fantastic stuff. Let's go over to their Twitter account. I am Dogelon Mars. Join me, and together we'll reach the stars. So we know we got the Gloomy Bears that are launched and stuff like that, which is fantastic. And the first of many cross-universe artists collaborations, Dogelon Mars has entered the Gloomyverse. Yep. So maybe that's why this coin is jumping so much. Well, let's see here. It's so exciting to be part of an initiative that will change the life on Earth as we know it. I am thrilled to see that what we have achieved in our second year together. Yeah, so they're doing pretty good. And for all the wonderful ways in which we can make a world a better place. Here you go. This could be it. Get started here. Enjoy quick and easy on-ramps, Elon, with your debit or credit card. So take a look at this. Here we go. This could be the whole reason. SimpleX. Elon is now available for purchase on SimpleX. See the little rockets coming in here? Okay, hundreds of partners, 100 fiat currencies, 145 cryptocurrencies. This could be the reason. Now, remember what I talked about, everybody. When coins get listed on new platforms, the people that are on that platform can now buy the coin. Here comes the rocket. There goes the Dogelon. SimpleX. So now purchase today on Simplex. I think that's how you say it. Hey, here's another thing too. Don't forget about the Dogelon Mars NFTs. All right, everybody, super fantastic right here. Getting listed on Simplex is big. The coin is jumping. We showed you. There you go. All right, over here at the website, Dogelon Mars. There's about 6 places, well, more than 6 places because it just got listed. But Crypto.com, you can get this coin. Uniswap, you can get this coin. OKEX, you can get this coin. KuCoins, you can get this coin. Huobi and Gemini. I am Dogelon Mars. Join me, and together we'll reach the stars. You know, they got obviously 650,000 people on their Twitter account, 90,000 in their Telegram. They got to update that. We did this the other day, going to the comics, reading everything. You may want to check that out when you get a chance. Take a look. Dogelon is ranked at 118. market cap of 567.14, and a volume of 47.48. All right, just all kinds of good stuff going on with Dogelon Mars. So literally jumping 27% in the last 7 days. Hope you were holding your Dogelon already, basically in your wallet, and now you're happy because it's like jumping off the chart. Go Elon, go. Go Dogelon, go. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right, we're going to go over to an article that says you can become, these articles kind of, I mean, seriously, if I only put $500 in, how am I going to become a millionaire? But either way, it's the point. The thing I like about these articles is they focus on these coins, and what it allows me to do is put it on my radar. I'm like, this article thinks this coin is a pretty good buy. This article thinks this coin's a pretty good buy. So we're going to go over to this article, read it a little bit, and in the bottom, give me your comments of what you think. Here we go. Becoming a millionaire in 2022 with these crypto coins. Take a look at the three. Avalanche, Cardano, and HUH. All right, that's kind of interesting. All right, here's the introduction. Last year was a fantastic ride for all those who boarded the cryptocurrency flight, as the market seemed to make almost every crypto holder richer than they ever were. This year will be remembered as the crypto market established itself in the financial industry future, because again, things kind of corrected itself this year. As a result, authorities from London to Sydney have been forced to take cryptocurrency sectors seriously and be fear of being left out. So people are starting to take a look at this for real. This week, the sector prices have rallied after 2 weeks, stabilizing after a record week in crypto market. The HUH token, for example, was one of the most widely accepted cryptocurrencies in existence. In conjunction with Avalanche, I definitely like Avalanche, and Cardano is still something to watch out for. It says get ready to take off with the HUH token. So right here, they got a whole little thing on this, HUH, put that on your thing. Okay, let's start off with the Avalanche. It's now worth over $25 billion with the price of $112 a share at this writing. I think it's a little bit lower than that right now. All right, I think it's around 75 to 80. The still good concept. These coins, they're going to fluctuate. Okay, the smart contract platform Avalanche is a native currency called AVAX, and it's gaining popularity as a Ethereum alternative to work with the Federal Emergency Management Agency initiated rally for AVAX. The Avalanche blockchain, the token might soar to new heights in 2022. Investing in Avalanche this year has been viral. Hey, everybody, here's the truth. If they like Avalanche, Avalanche is around $75 to $80 right now. Right here, Avalanche is $75. So again, if they like Avalanche, the difference between 75 to 112, there's a nice little profit right there. So again, do all your own research. All my information is for educational purposes only. But they're picking Avalanche as one of the three. It began trading in 2021 for around $3. By late November, it has risen to an all-time high of $146. So definitely keep an eye on Avalanche, eclipsing Dogecoin, and establishes itself as one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world. Yeah, we did watch Avalanche move up the chain pretty good. Okay, another one, not a surprising one in this, is Cardano. As of 2021, Cardano was the world's 6th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. It has a market cap of $53 billion. Early in the year, the coin was worth 20 cents. And then it rose all the way to, the value has risen almost to $3. Investors now have a chance to purchase ADA at a significant discount. The recent high is $1.60. Taking a look, again, it's 90 cents. I still like the fact that these are the three coins they're picking, are consistently dropped from before. As a result, Charles Hopkinson protects against VB choices to maintain the Ethereum blockchain nonprofit. He launched Cardano. The increased transaction speed of Cardano over Ethereum, which has recently been a problem for Ethereum, is another advantage. 100 to 150 engineers are working on Cardano. They make the coin one of the most active developing projects in the blockchain industry today. So Cardano, you got to like it. It's at 90 cents. When this article was written, it was a little bit higher. You may want to definitely put that on your radar. And the third, but surely not last, HUA token. If you have seen the Shiba Inus and the Flokies with cryptocurrency launches under perfect circumstances, it generally rises thousands of times in value. HUA token is the most appealing cryptocurrency on the list. A few months later, Shiba Inu popularity has surged by more than 70,000%. All right, so there's a little pre about Shiba and Floki. HUA token aims to be one of the top 20 cryptocurrencies in the market capitalization over the next few years. Features like the dual currency distribution system, the large HUA nation community rewards for holders, making it superior to Shiba Inu. They're making it superior to Shiba Inu. All right, put this on your radar, everybody. When a first-time buyer receives a referral code, anybody may use it even if they don't possess HUA token. The person who provides the code gets 10% in BNB from the recommendation customer's first purchase. They're doing a little referral program. Tokens holders may reap the benefit of passive income. Holy cow, that's what I love to talk about. Passive income and wallet stability by spreading their investments across many cryptocurrencies using this method. In addition, as the time passes, the number of HUA tokens holders grow, the token value rises. The idea to invest in HUA token is now, well, is it in the dip? Rebracing the website, undoubtedly you can get in. So what's some final thoughts here, everybody? They say, the final thoughts, if you missed out on last year's huge earnings made by others, take caution not to do it again in 2022. If you're looking to make a significant increase in cryptocurrency holding over the next year, look no further than these three tokens. And we're going to actually go up here to show you these three tokens. There's your HUA, HUH. Right here, here's the tokens that this article is definitely featuring. Avalanche, and I do like Avalanche, Cardano, I like Cardano, and HUH. Sounds pretty good on that. These three cryptocurrencies, put it on your radar. I definitely like Avalanche. Definitely like Cardano. HUH, I mean, put it on your radar. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's head back over to Dogelon Mars for a little price prediction. All right, back over to the website. They have a quick start guide to set up your MetaMask account. Create a MetaMask. Send ETH to your MetaMask. Connect your wallet. Swap the ETH for Elon. And again, they did this facelift of this website, I don't know, basically 2 months ago. Pretty nice. All right, back over here. Take a look at that again. That's probably because it got listed on Simplex. Simplex got listed. Boom. Everybody on Simplex decided, like, I want Dogelon. I want Elon. I want Dogelon. All right, what's my price prediction on this, everybody? 0, 0. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 10, 11. I'm thinking the coin's going to go to 5 zeros and a 12, 11. Remember, all my information's for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. It's on a nice uptick right now, everybody. So keep that on your radar. Taking a look at this, 28% up. I mean, you got to feel good for Dogelon Mars. 28% up. So it's ranked 118th, and things are going to the Mars, not going to the moon. Remember, we have Dogelon Mars for intergalactic travel to Mars. So when we all go to Mars, we need to use this cryptocurrency to pay for it. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. A lot of good things going on. Those three cryptocurrencies, HUH, Cardano, I even got Cardano that I talk about, and you can't forget about Avalanche. Avalanche has been doing very, very good. A lot of good things going on. Dogelon Mars is actually 28% up. It was actually 27% up when I started the video. It actually went up 1% since I got done with the video. That's kind of cool too. Check out your Dogelon. Are you happy with your wallet? Did you take a look at your wallet in the last week or so? It has fattened, which is great. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. And then I'm going to go click right here about the BUSD crop farmers and the BUSD crop farmers. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in on a Saturday. You have a fantastic day, and I will see you a little bit later on today.